The RMA 339C is a lightweight cordless mower that's easy to manoeuvre and is packed with features for maximum power and comfort. It's a great choice for medium-sized lawns up to around 400 metres squared or about the size of 1.5 tennis courts. It uses the latest powerful 36-volt lithium-ion battery, so you can move freely around the garden without cables getting in the way. The same battery can be used in all the other tools in the STIHL compact cordless range. Simply swap the battery into the other tools and you can work your way around the garden doing many different tasks. The RMA 339C has some really innovative features. One is this clever mono handlebar. Accessing and emptying the grass box is simpler and easier compared to the conventional mower, and the handlebar folds away neatly for space-saving storage in your shed or garage. You can adjust the height of the handlebar without tools, and the height of the mowing deck is easily adjusted using this lever. A really smart feature of the RMA 339C is that the flow-optimised blade makes the grass stand up ready to be cut. The blade cuts it efficiently, and then the airflow blows the cuttings into the grass catcher box, which holds up to 40 litres of grass. It's easy to spot when the grass box is full because there is a grass level indicator. Emptying it is a breeze too, as the box can be opened just like a clamshell. The RMA 339C can be converted into a mulch mower with a mulching accessory kit that recycles the finely cut clippings back into the lawn. It's a great way of achieving a lush lawn without the use of fertiliser, and has the added bonus of not having to dispose of your grass cuttings. To help you mow for longer, the Eco mode maximises battery life by regulating the speed of the blades. In longer or dense grass, the blades will spin faster, and in shorter grass, they'll be slower. For an average-sized lawn, you should only need one fully charged battery to get the job done. It's simple to keep an eye on how much battery charge you have with these 4 LEDs. Once the charger's run down, simply pop the battery onto the charger and it will be up to 80% capacity in around an hour and a half and 100% after a further hour. The RMA 339C is a high-performance mower offering a great combination of comfort and power.